Hi, welcome to Tech Flyer. Today, I'll show you how to fix the issue when WhatsApp calls don't show on your lock screen. So let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Now scroll down and tap on Notifications and Status bar. After that, find and click on Show Lock Screen Notifications and make sure it is turned on. This step will allow notifications to appear even when your screen is locked. Now go back to the main settings and find App Notification Management or simply Manage Notifications. Scroll down until you find WhatsApp, then tap on it. Here you need to make sure that Allow Notifications is enabled. After that, also turn on options like Show on Home Screen, Floating Notifications, and Lock Screen Notifications. Enabling all these options will make sure that when someone calls you on WhatsApp, the call will properly appear on your lock screen and home screen, just like a regular phone call. No more missed calls. That's it, quick and easy. Please like this video, subscribe to Tech Flyer, and press the bell icon for new videos. Thanks for watching.